Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Kospet Tank T3, and on this video, we are going to compare this with the latest app from Kospet, the Apex Move app that is available on Android and iOS platform. This smartwatch is supported by the Kospet Fit, but according to Kospet, this wearable, the Tank series, the latest Tank series, is also supported by the Apex Move app. So let's see. Let's download the app, install it, and pair it with our Tank T3. So if you are interested to see the new app, or you want to learn on how to set it up, watch this video. And again, if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and pair our smartwatch here with the Apex Move app. So let's search and download the app on the Google Play Store. So we have here the Google Play Store. So let's see. It will be our first time to download this on Google Play Store or from Google Play Store. Apex Move. As you can see here, Apex Move by Kospet. Let's make it complete. Is it available now? We have here the Kospet Fit. Seems like it's not yet. We have it here. I think this one. Let's see. Hong Kong Amazeware. About this app. We have here over 1,000 plus downloads. I think this is the app for our smartwatch. So tap on install. Let's wait for it to complete its download. So this is Apex Move. So 96.25 MB. Let's put this aside first. The download is now complete, and as you can see here, it's already installed in our smartphone. So let's open the app. So tap on open. So we have here Apex Move Watch You Want. Welcome back. I have read and agreed to the user agreement. So it is asking to register. You can use your Google account here. What else? Facebook, Line, Talk, and other apps. You can use your email also to register. In our case, we will use our Google account. Alright, finally we have successfully registered. And as you can see here, here is our first permission. So while using the app, we'll pick this one. Access this device's location. Asking for push notifications, we'll allow it. And we have here the dashboard of the Apex Fit. So, or Apex Move. So we have here home, workout, explore, and my. To pair your wearable, go to the My section. So we have here some settings for your smartwatch. Tap on My Device. Enable the Bluetooth connectivity. Activate. Go back. Enable. Okay, it's already activated. Then allow. Next. Okay, so it's searching for our smartwatch, and we have here our Tank T3. To pair it, tap on the Tank T3. It's now connecting. So here is our smartwatch. Okay, select to pair, and as you can see here, Apex Move, we are connected. So we are connected with the support app, the Tank T3. So let's have the basic setup. Allow our contacts here for the Bluetooth call, notification reminder, app notification. Let's activate, then go back, call reminder, just allow the permissions. This is for the notification and Bluetooth call. SMS reminder, enable the permissions, allow, and we have, okay, not that one. So we have the app, notification, call reminder, SMS reminder. We did not activate the sedentary reminder. Already the latest version, health monitoring settings, heart rate. You can use the 24-hour automated measurement. We'll not activate this one. Then, okay, so we have here the latest version. We'll check on that later. We have the settings, date and time. Let's switch to 12-hour format time for our date and time. Language settings, follow the system. We have watch face settings. You can download some of the watch face here. I think it's here in the display settings. Let's see. 5 seconds. Okay, so we have here the watch face store. It's not on the display settings. So here are the list of watch faces for our Apex Move. So we have customization here. We have the collection of watch faces. More features. We have a quick reply support for your Bluetooth call, as you can see here. This is a very good feature for our Apex Move and Tank T3 smartwatch. You can also add your contacts. So let's try to add one. Import from phone. Then tap on import. Okay, see it already included in our smartwatch. Let's see. We have the call here, contacts, and we have the number. Go back. I think everything is set for our Tank T3. And as you can see here, very easy to set up with the Apex Move app on Android smartphone. And we'll update this later. And seems like it is stable. We have third-party apps. So it has support for Samsung Health, Google Health, and Strava. So there's a lot of options here for our smartwatch. The new and improved support app for your Tank smartwatch. And of course, it is also for the latest smartwatch, the Magic Series smartwatch, as you can see here. So there's a lot of options. We have online customer service. You can contact the Cospet company directly here on the support app. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial on how to connect your smartwatch with the Apex Move app on Android smartphone. So if you have any questions regarding the installation of the app on Android smartphone, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.